Captain Y is a superhero kid who loves to help everyone. He's also Yang, a normal kid who likes to paint. But when someone needs help, he becomes Captain Y. He uses his powers to fix problems and make people happy. He's always there to help. Captain Y shows us that the best thing we can be is kind and helpful to others. That's what makes him a true superhero. His helping nature shines as brightly as his colorful attire. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so you don't miss any future uploads. Erase any unwanted lines, or add any extra details as you wish. Now you can color. Captain Y outfit isn't just for show, it's his source of power. Each color represents a different ability. Like blue for water manipulation. For healing. Whether it's healing a hurt knee with his green power, or using his yellow power to cheer up someone who's sad. Yellow for the power of sunlight. Red for super strength. Orange for super speed. To give finishing touch. Outline the entire drawing with darker lines. Yang loves to paint and draw. But when there is a trouble, he spins his color dial and transforms into Captain Y and ready to protect the world. His mission is to teach everyone, with creativity, and make the world a more colorful place, with happiness. See you in the next video.